everyone, are you preparing for your class 9th exams and feeling overwhelmed? Don't worry, I have got something that will make your exam prep super easy and effective. I ordered 9th class sample papers from Amazon for practice, link is in the description. I am introducing you to PW Class 9 Sample Paper Book. This book is your ultimate guide for the 2025 exams with 20 combined sample papers for science, maths, SST and English. Designed as per the latest CBSE syllabus, so it's perfect for your exam preparation. These sample papers will build your confidence to tackle any question. It also provides clear explanation for each question, helping you understand how to approach it. The book highlights common mistakes students make and tells you exactly what not to do and improve your performance. You will also learn the right way to answer questions with tips on what to focus on and how to structure your answers for full marks. Practicing with these sample papers will boost your speed in the exam. This book is a game changer for your class 9th journey. It is a must-have. Grab your book by clicking the link in the description or pinned comment below.